Before modern weather forecasting, before wind speed measurements, builders during the Second World War understood something fundamental about survival. Wind is a silent killer. A 15-knot wind can double the heating load on a structure through forced convection. But more importantly, it's completely preventable. Cabins from the era were positioned with obsessive care. Builders avoided north and northwest exposures, where winter winds screamed through. They planted dense shelter belts of evergreen trees 50 feet upwind, creating wind shadows that could reduce heating fuel needs by as much as 30%. 30%. That's not a minor optimization. That's the difference between freezing and surviving. This understanding came from practical necessity, but it was formalized during the Great Plains Shelter Belt initiatives of the 1930s. Thousands of trees were planted in precise patterns to protect settlements from wind. A simple principle: a building protected from wind requires substantially less energy than an exposed structure, even if the orientation and insulation are identical. Modern suburban homes sit exposed and unprotected. We've forgotten that the landscape is your first line of defense. Subscribe to Scars of the Century for engineering secrets that shape survival, from the battlefields of the Second World War to the buildings we inhabit today.